Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Parul and my channel is A Happier Me. Today we will be tackling some common heart health myths that you might have come across. I think this is a crucial topic that affects millions of people worldwide, but unfortunately there are many myths and misconceptions surrounding this vital organ. So in this video, we will be debunking some common heart health myths to help you separate facts from fiction. By the way, I'm not a doctor, but most of what I discuss today is a common sense and technical part is verified by my brother who is a doctor. So are you ready? Let's get started. Myth number 1. Heart diseases only happen in older people, and this is not true at all. It can happen to anyone at any age, so it is very important for everyone to keep getting their physical checkup even when you are young, in your teenage or in your 20s. It's important to get your blood work done so that you know what your numbers are, and also you will know your blood pressure so the doctors can detect any problem early on. While age does increase the risk, heart health is crucial at every stage of life. Take for example a case of a young adult who follows an unhealthy diet high in saturated fat and leads a sedentary lifestyle. Over time, this person will develop heart disease like high blood pressure and elevated cholesterol levels. By adopting heart healthy habits early on, such as eating a well-balanced diet and engaging in regular exercise, this person can reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Myth number 2. High cholesterol is the primary cause of heart disease. While high cholesterol levels can contribute, heart disease is influenced by multiple factors. For instance, let's consider another person. He leads a sedentary lifestyle, smokes, and has high blood pressure and diabetes. Despite having normal cholesterol levels, this person is at high risk of heart disease due to the lifestyle choices. By maintaining a healthy lifestyle overall, including exercise, managing your stress, and adopting a balanced diet, it can reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Myth number 3. Heart disease only affects men. This myth couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, heart disease is the leading cause of death for both men and women worldwide. The symptoms of heart disease may differ between men and women, as women can have atypical symptoms like shortness of breath, nausea, or jaw pain rather than the typical chest pain. So it's important to understand that maintaining a good lifestyle is crucial for both men and women. The next myth is about fitness level. So if you're physically fit, you cannot have heart problems. While exercise is beneficial, it doesn't guarantee immunity against heart diseases. So I will explain this with an example. Now let's look at Jason, who's a marathon runner with excellent fitness. But despite his fitness level, Jason has a family history of heart disease and leads to a high stress lifestyle. These factors can still put him at risk. Remember, maintaining a healthy weight, managing stress, and avoiding smoking are equally important components of a heart healthy lifestyle, regardless of your fitness level. Myth number 5. Heart disease is not preventable. This is far from the truth. In many cases, heart disease can be preventable by adopting a healthy lifestyle. By eating fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and good fats, you can maintain a good cholesterol level and prevent the risk of developing heart diseases. Also, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, avoiding junk food as much as possible, getting enough rest, doing some sort of exercise, and managing your stress are very important for anyone at any age. So by understanding the truth behind these myths, we can make better decisions and prioritize our heart health. Regular physical activity, not smoking, managing your stress level, and monitoring your blood pressure are additional key factors in reducing the risk of heart disease. Remember, it's never too early or late to start caring for your heart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and share it with anyone who you think can benefit from this video. Stay heart healthy. Until next time. Bye.